Hello friends, today we are going to learn a special technique in Excel. Here we have a database consisting several products with their quantities according to their month. We have to find out the total quantities of each product according to their month. The process is put equal symbol, then type sum, open parenthesis, select the cell range, closing parenthesis and then press enter. Now select the rest of the columns and use Ctrl R. The same process will be continued for rest of the total part of the database. Now see the alternate process, and the process is select the whole database, use Ctrl G, click on special button, then select blanks radio button and press OK. Now press Alt equal, which will automatically calculate the total quantities of each product according to their month. Thank you watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.